it. I got my dog bike on it. Look. And I have my thing. And but I got my dirt bike. Fishing, fireman, and mine is Coast Guard. Yeah, and okay, I'm going to turn that thing off. Okay, you guys. Hey, and look, I'm gonna show my turbos. Look, I got turbos here from the airplane, and I got the guns. There we go. I'm floating. Yeah. I'm going to show you my Lego Frosted. Come on, let's go. Show us. Let's go. Here. Our Lego. Yeah, and this all my brother's Lego in here. Some of here is mine, right? And all of them is my Lego. In a one box Lego. And I got milk. Chocolate milk. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go back in there. Hey, look. I got Ninja. Okay. Let's see. We're going to fight. Oh, I'm going to take target things. Wow! Look, I'm gonna dirt bike on the water. Okay, I'm going to get my thing. Ouch. Oh, I'm gonna get my boat sec, okay? Just sec, guys. Okay, you guys, sorry. There we go. My thing is floating like a bus. Okay. There you go. I found it. I found my boat. You can record and tell me. Okay. I'm recording now. Look at that boat. And that's my big boat. That's my small boat. That's my brother's boat. Hey! Some of my brother's Lego is the same as mine. Yeah. Some of them are. Fire! Yeah. I'm floating. Yeah. Okay, you guys. Sorry about that. Just a sec, okay? Yay! Okay, you guys, my brother is coming there. And here. Leave a comment who's better, both me or my brothers. Okay, that's the end of the video.